Alright, so we are checking out a new product today. This is the WallyGrip2. We're checking this out specifically for CES. They actually gave us this early ahead of it so that we can share it with you here today. This is specifically designed for MagSafe phones and also your Samsung model phones it can be worked with as well. And it has a really cool thing called Popple, which we'll talk about a little bit after I showcase this. So it's really easy to open. You just go in the back here, and there's kind of like a little divot down. Reminds me a lot of like the battery cases. And then you just kind of just scrape that out, and boom. So this is the actual device here. Take this off. So off the bat, you do have a little finger holder. So you can hold that on your phone really easily. Just put that right in there. Reminds me a lot of those other ones. It slides back straight flat on there. Then you have right in here, this is a card holder which has RFID blocking. You can hold up to 3 cards. And it even tells you where to put the chip direction on the back here, which is really nice. And then you also have Popple. Now Popple is built into this. You basically just tap it on there. The one thing I will specifically say about Popple is that it is a really cool device that will allow you to share your information, your social media contacts, your business card, or even if you have a business, you can use it for pay. So you can set up like your Cash App or any of those type of things on there. People will scan it. They don't need an app. It literally just goes to NFC. They pick it up, and they immediately are connected to the place where to make a payment to you, which is really cool. The cards are really easy to come in and out. You can take this just right out the back and just slide up, and that will pop the card out. So let me show what I mean by that. So it's on the back of your phone, just pop that off, and then you can just slide your thumb there and take the card out. It's really easy. It's super convenient and cool. It's very thin. Like I said, it's good for holding on to. And it's also, the way it's designed specifically with the MagSafe, you can just take that right off, charge your devices, put it right back on. It's a really nice additional feature to give you some additional options with your devices. For the people with non-MagSafe phones, there is a barcode on the back that specifically allows you to get a free MagSafe kit for your purchase, which is really nice. It's also specifically a good idea if you have a magnetic safe case, you can put that right on there, and then it will magnetically connect to your MagSafe cases as well, which is really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys at CES.